The GoPro Max 2 has been one of the most anticipated action cameras for years, and it looks like the wait is almost over. If you're into 360-degree video, VR content, or just want something more immersive than the usual point-and-shoot, this might finally be the upgrade we've been hoping for. After years of silence, GoPro has confirmed the Max 2 is in development, and we've recently seen both a teaser video and a leaked prototype. So yeah, things are getting real. Let's start with the teaser. It was short, only 15 seconds, but showed off a completely new design. The Max 2 appears to have large lens modules, new cooling fins on the body, and possibly a more rugged shell. These design changes hint at some serious power under the hood, possibly 8K 360-degree video recording, improved low-light performance, and next-gen stabilization. It's GoPro's response to Insta360 and DJI, who've really stepped up their 360 camera game in recent years. Even more interesting, a prototype of the Max 2 just popped up on a Chinese marketplace. It looks like an early pre-production unit, but it reveals a few key things. There's no built-in screen, the camera has an internal metal heatsink, and the battery door is redesigned. This suggests GoPro's going for better thermal management and possibly more efficient performance, likely powered by their upcoming GP3 processor, which is also expected to be used in the GoPro Hero 14. Now, onto the feature rumors. The Max 2 is said to include AI-assisted auto-framing, similar to what Insta360 already offers. That means the camera can intelligently reframe your 360 footage, picking the best angles automatically. It's also expected to include enhanced electronic stabilization, possibly branded as HyperSmooth 6.0, along with improved audio capture and maybe even object tracking. That last one is still up in the air. GoPro hasn't had the best track record with tracking features in the past. There's also a lot of speculation about new software features and better integration with GoPro's mobile app. Since the Max 2 might not have a built-in screen, having a reliable and responsive app is going to be essential for framing shots and accessing controls. The leaked prototype doesn't confirm any of this, but if GoPro wants to compete with Insta360's app experience, they've got some catching up to do. As for the release timeline, most signs point to fall 2025. That lines up with GoPro's usual product cycle, where they tend to announce new gear around September or October. The pricing is rumored to land in the $599 to $699 range, which would put it right in line with the Insta360 X5 and just under DJI's Osmo 360. So should you wait for it? If you're serious about 360 content and want the latest tech, then yeah, it's probably worth holding off for a few more months. The original GoPro Max, while still usable, feels dated in 2025. GoPro did re-release it with some small updates earlier this year, like a new mounting system and battery tweaks, but that was clearly just a stopgap. Bottom line, the GoPro Max 2 looks like it could finally bring GoPro back into the 360 camera spotlight. Between 8K video, AI framing, and next-gen stabilization, there's a lot to be excited about. Let's just hope the launch doesn't get delayed again. Until then, if you're already using Insta360 or DJI gear, you've got great options. But if you've been waiting for the Max 2, it's looking like that patience might finally pay off.